When you spend hours gaming, every pixel matters. A great 4K monitor isn't just about resolution, it's about color precision, smooth motion, and a design that feels like part of your setup, not an afterthought. We've tested and compared 5 of the best 4K gaming monitors available today, each one offering something different, from lightning-fast refresh rates to OLED panels that deliver true depth and contrast. Welcome to Top Tech Now, where we break down the gear that helps you get the most out of your setup. These monitors aren't ranked, so stick around to find the one that fits your gaming style and space best. Let's dive in. The HP Omen 27K is the mid-range 4K gaming monitor that actually feels high-end. You're getting a 27-inch 3840 by 2160 display that's dense, vibrant, and sharp enough to catch every little detail your gaming enemies wish you'd miss. It's rocking a 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond G-to-G response time with overdrive, and full NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, so your games stay silky, even when the action gets chaotic. Color accuracy is another big flex here. With 99% sRGB and 95% DCI-P3 coverage, plus VESA Display HDR 400 certification, this thing makes colors pop in a way that'll leave real life looking a little washed out. Shadows are deeper, highlights are brighter, and everything in between looks ridiculously lifelike. And if you're a console player too, good news, the HDMI 2.1 port lets you run the latest consoles at 120 frames per second in full 4K. But it's not just about the screen. The Omen 27K also comes with a built-in KVM switch, letting you jump between two devices while using the same keyboard and mouse, meaning you can switch from gaming to whatever else. Add in integrated dual 3-watt speakers and customizable aRGB lighting through Omen Light Studio, and suddenly your setup actually feels finished instead of halfway there. You also get a full suite of ports, including USB-C, DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0, HDMI 2.1, 2 USB 3.2 ports, and a 3.5mm audio out. So whether you're plugging in a console, PC, or accessories, you're covered. The stand is fully adjustable too, with tilt, pivot, and 100mm of height adjustment, so you can actually game comfortably. And because HP didn't stop at just visuals, they threw in HP IEs with iSafe certification to cut down on blue light without turning the colors into a gray mess. Plus, the monitor's plastics are made from 85% post-consumer recycled materials. Mid-range? Sure. But the HP Omen 27K definitely didn't get the memo. Looking for an affordable 4K monitor that still delivers when it's time to game? The Dell S2722QC is where it's at. This monitor brings sharp visuals with a 4K resolution and a pixel density of 163 ppi, making every detail pop whether you're battling it out in the latest shooter or exploring vast open worlds. Plus, with a 4.0 millisecond response time, you won't be left hanging when it's time to make that perfect move. It's the kind of monitor that keeps up with your gaming reflexes, whether you're on a casual session or an intense marathon. Comfort is key, especially during those long gaming sessions. The S2722QC lets you customize your setup with a height-adjustable stand that tilts, swivels, and pivots so you can lock in your best view. And don't worry about eye strain. ComfortView technology reduces harmful blue light, so you can game all night without regretting it the next day. Plus, the ultra-thin bezel design minimizes distractions, letting you focus purely on the game without annoying interruptions. When it comes to connectivity, the Dell S2722QC gets it right. With USB-C and 65-watt power delivery, you can power up your laptop or console with just one cable. No more dealing with tangled cables, just smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. And with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, switching between gaming consoles and your PC is seamless. No hassle, no downtime. Sound matters too, right? The built-in dual 3-watt speakers deliver decent audio without the need for extra equipment. Whether you're gearing up for a raid or casually exploring, the speakers will keep the action loud and clear. For casual gamers who don't want to invest in external speakers right away, this is a nice bonus. Finally, this monitor is built for multitasking in the best way. With picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes, you can juggle your game and other content at once. Sure, it's not an ultra-wide panel, but at this price, the Dell S2722QC gives you plenty of gaming power and style without breaking the bank. Next up, the Asus ROG Swift OLED PG 32U is truly the real deal for anyone serious about gaming. This 32-inch 4K QD-OLED monitor gives you a 240 Hz refresh rate and a blazing fast 0.03 milliseconds response time. That means no motion blur or input lag. just smooth, clear visuals in fast-paced games. With QD-OLED technology, you get deeper blacks and vibrant colors that make everything pop, whether you're gaming or watching movies. Let's talk about why this 4K gaming monitor runs so smoothly. Asus has packed in a custom passive heatsink, advanced airflow design, and a graphene film behind the panel. These features help prevent burn-in and manage heat, so you won't have to worry about damaging the OLED panel over time. Plus, the uniform brightness setting ensures consistent luminance, even when you're switching between windows, so your screen stays steady without those annoying bright spots. The PG32UCDM isn't just about great picture quality, it's also packed with features to make your life easier. The Display Widget Center software lets you adjust settings and OLED care functions with your mouse, so you don't have to dig through menus. And with a solid selection of ports like USB-C with 90-watt power delivery, HDMI 2.1, and a USB hub, you'll have no trouble connecting everything you need. If you like options, the PG32UCDM also supports a range of aspect ratios, letting you downsize to 24.5 inches or 27 inches if that's more your style. The AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility mean you'll get super smooth, tear-free gameplay with low latency. And let's not forget about the futuristic cyberpunk-inspired design with RGB lighting and a frameless panel for maximum immersion. The Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32UCDM is a premium choice for gamers who demand the best. If you're curious about prices, check out the description below. There you'll find all of the latest deals on these impressive 4K gaming monitors. And if you're enjoying the ride, be sure to give us a like and a follow. 2 more of the best 4K gaming monitors to get to. Jumping back in. Next up, we want to welcome you to the world of the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8, this 4K gaming monitor that takes the concept of immersion and laughs in its face. This isn't your average screen. It's a 1000 R-curved beast that mirrors the arc of the human eye, pulling you into the game like you've never been pulled in before. Seriously, the level of engagement here is impressive. You'll feel like you're physically in the game, not just watching it. But let's talk about performance. The Neo G8 is the world's first 4K gaming monitor to rock a 240Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. If you've ever missed a headshot because of lag, well, you can kiss that goodbye. Pair that with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync, and you've got a screen that ensures your gameplay is as smooth as butter. No tearing, no stuttering, just pure gaming glory. And then there's quantum matrix technology. Sounds like a sci-fi concept, right? Well, it's real, and it's here to make your gaming world more vibrant than ever. With quantum mini LEDs and HDR 2000, this monitor delivers an insane 2000 nits of peak brightness and a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. From the deepest shadows to the brightest explosions, every scene is a visual masterpiece. You'll see details you never noticed before, like that sneaky enemy hiding in the reflection of a puddle. Yeah, that's a thing now. On top of that, the matte display ensures you stay laser-focused during those intense matches. No more fighting with light reflections or distractions. The screen absorbs light, keeping everything crisp and clean, so you can focus on nothing but winning. If you're serious about competitive gaming, you'll appreciate how AutoSource Switch Plus automatically detects when you fire up a new device and jumps to it without you lifting a finger. More time for gaming, less time fiddling with settings. Finally, the Core Sync lighting adds a whole new level of immersion by syncing the monitor's colors to your game. It's like your whole room is part of the action. Throw in the ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio for extra context, and you've got yourself a setup that'll make even the toughest games feel like a walk in the park. Adjust it to your perfect viewing angle with the VESA standard mount, and you're all set. Too good to be true? Check out the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 and find out. Alright, let's talk about the MSIMPG321URX QD-OLED, which is quite possibly the best overall 4K monitor on the market right now. With a 31.5-inch UHD QD-OLED panel, this display delivers stunning 4K resolution that will make your games and movies pop like never before. The 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds response time ensure everything is silky smooth, whether you're dodging bullets or racing through a high-speed track. This is a monitor that doesn't just meet expectations, it blows them out of the water. What really makes this monitor stand out is its QD-OLED technology. The quantum dot layer combined with OLED brings colors to life in a way you've probably never seen before. 1.07 billion colors and a 99% DCI-P3 color gamut create an almost unbelievable level of vibrancy and accuracy. Throw in VESA Display HDR True Black 400, and you've got deep blacks that rival the void of space, and bright highlights that cut through any dark scene. It's one of the most visually satisfying setups you'll find. For gamers, this monitor doesn't just look pretty, it works like a charm. VRR and KVM support ensure that whether you're on a console or PC, your screen stays smooth and responsive, with no tearing or stuttering. The Gaming Intelligence app helps you fine-tune your settings, and with PIP/PBP modes for multitasking, you'll never have to pick between gaming and getting work done again. Add to that the 4-way adjustable stand and Mystic Light, because hey, who doesn't want their gaming setup to glow? And this monitor fits every need. But it's not just performance that sets this screen apart, it's the OLED care. MSI has added OLED Care 2.0, which ensures the panel remains pristine for years, preventing burn-in and keeping colors sharp. You can be sure it's built to last without the constant worry about OLED's usual issues. The price is unbeatable for the performance. In a world where competitors ask for much more for similar features, the MSI MPG321URX QD-OLED serves up premium quality without having to remortgage your property. Sure, it's not the brightest monitor in the world, but for darkroom gaming, it's about as perfect as it gets. And that wraps up the list. If you're curious about any of the prices for the 4K gaming monitors mentioned today, check out the description below. Also, if you found this helpful, feel free to drop us a like. Believe it or not, it goes a long way and helps us bring you more great picks. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one.